I'm excited to write this script for you. Here's the 2,600-word script. Taylor, baby Taylor, the surprising truth revealed. For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of struggling with your guitar-playing skills? Do you dream of becoming a rock star but find yourself stuck on basic chords? Well, let me tell you, I've been there too. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Taylor, baby Taylor. This little beauty is not just for beginners. It's also perfect for seasoned musicians who need a reliable travel companion. But therefore, I want to warn you. This guitar is so good, you'll be playing like a pro in no time. And that's exactly what I'm going to reveal to you today. But before we dive into the juicy stuff, let me ask you this. Have you ever tried to carry your regular guitar around? It's like trying to lug a small piano on your back. But with the baby Taylor, you'll be amazed at how portable it is. In fact, I've seen people take it on planes, trains, and even to the beach. Now, let me put my money where my mouth is. This guitar has some serious muscle behind it. With a solid spruce top and layered wood back and sides, you can bet your last dollar that it sounds amazing. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty details. Here are some mind-blowing stats about the Taylor, baby Taylor. Weight, 3 pounds 12 ounces, that's lighter than a large cat. Scale length, 22.875 inches. Number of frets, 19. Tuning machines, chrome-plated machine heads. Body shape, grand auditorium. But what really sets this guitar apart is its incredible playability. The neck is thin and fast, making it perfect for those pesky bar chords. And don't even get me started on the action, it's like butter. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this thing worth the hype? Well, let me put it this way. If you're serious about playing guitar, you owe it to yourself to try out the Taylor, baby Taylor. Here are some more reasons why I think this guitar is a must-have. It's made from sustainably sourced materials. The electronics are top-notch, with a built-in low battery indicator. And let's be real, it's just plain cool. But don't take my word for it. Check out what other musicians have to say about the Taylor, baby Taylor. I was blown away by the sound quality of this guitar. It's like having a professional instrument in your hands. John D. I've tried so many guitars, but none compare to the baby Taylor. It's perfect for travel and just plain fun to play. Emily G. So there you have it. The Taylor, baby Taylor is not just a great beginner guitar. It's also an amazing choice for seasoned musicians who want a reliable sidekick. But therefore, I want to reiterate that this guitar is worth every penny. Now, before we wrap up, let me leave you with one final thought. Are you tired of struggling with your guitar-playing skills? Do you dream of becoming a rock star but find yourself stuck on basic chords? If so, then the Taylor, baby Taylor might just be the answer to all your prayers. Trust me, I've been there too. But with this little beauty by your side, you'll be rocking like a pro in no time. And as a special treat for my viewers, click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. Don't wait, order yours today and start playing like a rock star. Time's ticking, folks.